Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Okay, so I wanted to explain the special assignment that we're going to do. This is not due for a while, so you will have time to work on it. It's going to be due next Tuesday, so a whole week, okay? It's going to be 3 parts. I think you should do the 3 parts at different times, right? So it doesn't feel so much. All right, so let's take a peek. In part 1, right, you got 2, and it's 10 points per page. So part 1, it says brainstorm, right? Brainstorm a few ways you could decline an invitation. And you really want to use your 4B vocab list, okay? And the 2 verbs video that we used. That's going to help a lot. And the negative ones, okay? And you know how to make something negative. You just put the word no. All right. So then, right, you have these 5 different little situations, okay, with these little guys. And, right, and you want to decline their invitations, okay? So try to use at least 3 different ways. Here you should have brainstormed quite a few, right? Here try to use 3 different ways. So you'll repeat a few of them, but try to show me that you know 3 different ways. Okay, you're going to have 2 parts in every answer. You're going to have the decline, right? Something like that. Sorry, I can't, I don't want to, no thank you, be creative, right? And then you got to give some sort of excuse, right? Like this person, their decline was sorry, I can't, and their excuse was I'm not hungry, right? Okay, so be creative, and then here's your 5 situations, right? Here's the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, okay? So you just work on trying to do a decline and an excuse, okay? And try to show me that you know more than one way to do that. No translator. Okay, chicos, here in part 2, right? Part 2, invitations and excuses. All right, so you got some jobs to do in these text messages, right? And pay attention that it's 2 convos between 4 different people. We have Alicia, Paco, we have Pedro, and Ana. All right, so you got to go through and circle your conjugated verbs. Conjugated verbs are the opposite of infinitives, right? A conjugated verb does not end in AR, ER, or IR. Then go ahead and go through and underline what they're going to do or where they're going to go in each of the conversations. Okay, all right, down here, just answering some true-false questions, right? Cierto o falso about the conversations. Part 3 is my favorite because you get to get super creative, okay? So part 3, use your vocab lists. Try not to make it too super complicated. No translator, okay? All right, so in this little phone from probably years ago, right, create a conversation between 2 people in the phone above by drawing in speech bubbles. Name the people, right? Who is it? And use at least 8 of these words or phrases, right, that are below. Okay, and of course you can use other words and phrases we've learned as well, but I want 8 of these in there. Okay, and then highlight those when they're up in here so I can see them quicker. Okay, all right, so in the conversation, obviously like a hello, goodbye, and then in Spanish, and then someone needs to extend an invitation to go somewhere or do something, and the other person needs to accept or decline. Okay, and if you want to add in some extra info, that might be cool too. All right, muy bien. Contact me with any questions, and again, you will have 1 week to do this. All right, muchas gracias. Remember, you are awesome.